Changing your payout method on SolidGigs is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you update your payment information correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your SolidGigs account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select payment methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Enter the required information for your preferred payment option, such as bank details of payment service accounts. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on SolidGigs. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.